Welcome back. So what I'm going to do is what the instruction says to do, which is I'm going to dump some of the stuff in there. It's saying maybe about half the contents in there. I don't know. Look at that. It's not very clear on how much you should be dumping in there. How about that? I mean, maybe. I don't know how much I want to put in there, but that looks like a bit much. I don't know. We'll just have to see. I hope I don't just tear this whole thing apart. There are plastic parts in there, which is, it's kind of unexpected. Come on, Yokomo. Yokomo. Usually they provide you with,
Likey.